Soak the whisk in ricotta. Mix with boiling water in the pan. Pour the water with ricotta into the dispenser. Chop the garlic and put it in the tray. Rinse the cherry tomatoes in the bowl with water. Tear off the stems from the tomatoes. Cut into halves and put in the baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil. Season with coarse salt ground in a mortar. Ground black pepper in the same mortar. Bake for 20 minutes. Put the baked tomatoes in the blender cup. Remove the garlic. Pour in the ricotta. Sprinkle the basil with water and add to the blender. Grind the sauce. Pour into the hot pan. Boil the water with salt. Add the spaghetti. Boil for 5 minutes. Put the cooked spaghetti in the pan with the sauce. Mix the pasta with the sauce.